All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of our bi-weekly community call. Let's start with a quick update. There are a few things that we wanted to talk about. I'm just going to leave the microphone open for someone from the team if you want to update things. Like to get this started, all of me Jitsi is now using our new video bridge, so this is pretty important. Um, Jonathan, do you want to talk about the frame optimizations you've been doing, or anyone want to take over?
Um, yeah, I've been doing frame optimizations there. It should improve um, a number of things about uh, the frame projection code, which should both result in needing less keyframes and also be more efficient, which improves for both the sake of latency and performance for bridge. Hopefully, no user visible consequences, but other than you can fit more people on a bridge or you have less latency or whatever. But if you see anything, let me know.
Thank you. Pablo, you want to talk about the changes that you're working on, or
Yes,
maybe some
so
of the transcriber stuff as well?
yes, so there's been fixes to transcriber which makes the transcription more stable and usable. We're also working on fixing thread leaks there, currently in testing phase. Other than that, we're switching the web application to use WebSockets instead of Bosch, which we'll hope will be more stable and fix corner cases around Bosch stability. So yeah, that's all from me, I think.
I can add, I was also working on Gigassi and few reconnection issues, fixing few connection issues and around all the protocols. Also wanted to mention, as this didn't go into the last recording, so the latest packages in the unstable repo don't use Jetty by default. Install Nginx, and also if the Nginx is newer enough, which are the older versions from Ubuntu 18.04 and upwards, will enable a turn server, and that turn server will be installed and configured, and basically Nginx is multiplexing the and using one port for serving the web and for getting all the media. So whenever you have Let's Encrypt installed, you have a turn server running and listening on port 443 to cope with enterprise networks. That is for me.
I just wanted to mention from mobile side that we switched to the new Hermes JavaScript interpreter inside the React Native, which is supposed to be more stable and supposed to fix a crash that we see quite sometimes. That's on beta now, so if you're using the beta or you already have it, not on live yet. Thanks.
Maybe a very short update from the 100 people front. So we've identified that some of the octo queues, well, the octo queue gets overwhelmed and drops packets, and we've been discussing how to address this. Jonathan actually has a PR for that, and we're also making progress with the load balancing bridge selector in Jacofo. I have a PR for that on Jacofo. It's work in progress.
I just want to mention GSOC really quick again. We are going to apply to GSOC 2020. The applications end on February 4th. We started a new GitHub project that is going to host our list of ideas, and we have a few already there. It's available on github.com/jitsi/gsoc-ideas. If you have an idea, or if you just want to go over the list and see what we have, feel free. You can also open issues on the repo if you have any questions or suggestions.
Okay, that concludes the team update part of this call. There are a few people here from outside the team. Does anyone want to make any comments or ask any questions? Sounds like we're good for today. One thing that we didn't mention is also that Jonathan is going to start looking at VP9 support at some point. We don't know when and how we'll launch it, but it's something that we'll be working at. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful 2 weeks and see you again in 15 days. Cheers.